Hey kids, welcome to Bubbly Bugs! Like and subscribe.
Cicada. Cicada makes loud buzzing sounds from the trees. Earwig. Earwig has little pincers at the back but is not dangerous. Weevil. Weevil, a tiny beetle with a long nose that loves grains. Termite. Termite lives in big colonies and can chew through wood. Stag beetle. Stag beetle has big jaws like a deer and looks like a mini warrior. Mayfly. Mayfly lives only one day as an adult, the shortest insect life. Hoverfly. Hoverfly looks like a bee but doesn't sting. It just wants to fool you. Housefly. Housefly flies super fast and can walk on walls and ceilings. Green lacewing. Green lacewing eats garden pests and has see-through fairy-like wings. Flea. Flea jumps super far and lives on animals, like a tiny jumper. Firefly. Firefly glows in the dark like a tiny nightlight. Caterpillar. Caterpillar eats a lot and turns into a butterfly. Dragonfly. Dragonfly flies really fast and has big eyes. Ladybug. Ladybug has red wings with black spots and helps protect plants.